Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Let's see what the library got this week. Oh, we have another season of Endeavor. That's a popular one at the library. 1917 DVD. And I've got replacements for Magnus Chase. Our copies were getting very sad. There we go. God of Asgard. The Happy Dreamer, a board book. Another movie, Marriage Story. Dorothea Stilton, The Magic of the Mirror. Ooh, the latest Dragon Masters, a very popular easy reader. The next in the Megabat series. I believe that's a Canadian author. Girl Crushed. Fly on the Wall. See something adorable underneath here. Nerve, a personal journey through the science of fear. Guillermo del Toro wrote a book. That's pretty cool. No Going Back by Sheena Kamal. And we have Jonathan and Jess Kellerman's latest. Ichiro. This one won a lot of awards. It's a graphic novel. Got a Julie Quinn historical romance. She's always good for a nice happy read. Alice Hoffman, Magic Lessons. Ooh, it's the prequel to Practical Magic. Round, new picture book, all about being round. Go Away Unicorn, Doggone Magic. That looks pretty adorable. Is this anything? Jerry Seinfeld's latest. The Worrysaurus. Oh, he looks so worried. The Very Super Bear by Nick Bland. We have a bunch of his books here. And we have a book called Bones, Inside Look of the Animal Kingdom. That looks very nice. I bet it has some good pictures in there. If I can open it up with my gloves. There we go. Oh, landed right on a whale. All right, so if you see anything you like, you can always contact us at the library. And as always, just give us a couple of weeks to get them cataloged and processed for you. Thanks.